turning word problems into symbol masterpieces. Hello, English learners. Welcome to another episode of our language adventure. Today, we are going to explore a fascinating topic: translating words into mathematical symbols. It might sound tricky at first, but don't worry. We're going to break it down and make it fun. Remember, mathematics is a universal language, and today, we'll learn how English fits into it. Before we start translating words into symbols, let's quickly revisit the basic mathematical symbols and what they mean. Plus. This symbol represents addition. Minus. This symbol represents subtraction. Times, x, or asterisk. These symbols represent multiplication. Slash, or division sign, divided by. These symbols represent division. Equal, smiley face. This symbol shows that two things are equal or the same. Remember, these symbols are the same in almost every language, which makes them incredibly powerful tools for communication. Now that we are familiar with the basic mathematical symbols, let's see how we can translate words into these symbols. When you see words like plus, added to, and, or, more than, these usually indicate the plus symbol, plus. Words such as minus, less than, or subtract mean we should use the minus symbol. Times, multiplied by, of, or product, signals multiplication, x or asterisk. Divide, divided by, out of, or per, are words often used to represent division, or divided by. And finally, equals, is, are, or gives usually translate to the equals symbol, smiley face. Let's look at a few examples. Remember, practice is key to mastering this skill. 1. 3 added to 2 equals 5 translates into 3 plus 2 equals 5. 2. 9 divided by 3 is 3 can be written as 9 divided by 3 equals 3. 3. The product of 4 and 5 gives 20, becomes 4 times 5 equals 20. See? It's not that difficult when you break it down. By using these word-to-symbol translations, we can solve word problems in mathematics more easily. Well, that's a wrap for today's video, everyone. We hope you've enjoyed this journey from English words to mathematical symbols. Remember, practice makes perfect, so try these out with more word problems. Until next time, keep learning, keep practicing, and keep having fun with English and mathematics. Goodbye for now.